Hello, my name is Sparsh Mishra and I am currently studying in grade 11 in India. As you might have already guessed, I am deeply interested in artificial intelligence and desktop assistants, and I am glad to inform you all that I have gotten the opportunity to do a virtual AI internship in Clevered, in which I was able to acquire knowledge to build my very own desktop assistant, Venus. First, let me answer the question of why did I choose the project? Well, from discovering open source development and using desktop operating systems like Windows, Linux distributions like Fedora and Ubuntu, I noticed that there was no good voice assistant for desktops, unlike those found in phones and smartphones. For example, doing a complex task like opening an application or asking some code to execute cannot be done efficiently with some pre-existing AI implementations found on desktops. Hence why I wanted to do a project in a similar vein, and when I found that I would have the opportunity to do so in the Clevered internship program, I instantly chose this project. This project will help everyone, such as professional users to multitask, as well as mobility impaired people to execute simple tasks on their computer. Now, let me talk to you about Venus. Venus, aka the very efficient and novel user speech system, is a simple yet effective voice-controlled desktop assistant built to complete tasks quickly and efficiently. With one click of a button, it can become a fun fact library to a machine that opens up any application you like it to, fully voice controlled. But that's not all. It is ever expanding in terms of the things it can do for you. From searching on the web to tossing on the coin, the Venus is there for you. You can find the project on GitHub as well. Now, let's learn how to use the application. Now, once you want to know what to say to Venus, you can click the help button on your screen. Once you click this button, a message will appear on your screen showing you all possible commands that you can perform with Venus. Before you use a command, however, you must know how to stop Venus. To do that, click the red stop button present on your screen just above the mic button. Clicking this red button will immediately terminate everything Venus is doing so that you can exit the app immediately. Make sure you only press the button once, since pressing it multiple times is unnecessary. To input something into Venus, you can use the input box button present below the microphone to type into. And you can see the status of the Venus bot on your screen as well. Let's start using the application. Now, let's look at some more help commands. Here, you can mention time in your command to get the current time. You can also do that with the date. Let's try to do so. Hey Venus, what's the time?
4:53 p.m.
As you can hear, the time is absolutely correct. Let's ask it about the date. Hey Venus, what's the date?
June 12, 2022.
As you can see, it has also responded appropriately. Let's try to ask it about the weather in Aurangabad. Hey Venus, what's the weather in Aurangabad?
The temperature in Celsius is 33. And the humidity is 55. The weather is broken clouds.
Absolutely correct. This is the way we use the Venus bot application. There are many more commands that you can see on your screen, as well as others which will be added later. To do that, I will leave you to explore some more commands and use it for yourself. You can email me at mishra.sparsh18@gmail.com for suggestions, feedback, tips, and questions related to the project. You can also find the code for the project as well as additional information on the GitHub link on your screen right now. I would personally like to thank the entire Clevered team for providing me this immense opportunity to take up an entirely new project and create my own desktop assistant. The team helped me acquire knowledge and tackle all the doubts I had in my journey. I would also like to thank my parents for agreeing to follow through with the Venus desktop assistant. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoyed this demo for the Venus desktop assistant.